Greetings everyone, this is Uditi Lunawat. It is indeed my pleasure to welcome you all to the launch of Mahadevi Birla World Academy's Youth Radio on behalf of the entire Student Council. Because of the current situation, we have been distant for quite a while now. We have been missing hanging out with one another, sharing stories, and school in general. That's why we figured that a school radio, just like the old days, would be a wonderful way for us to connect with each other all over again. We will be featuring different kinds of music, literary masterpieces, our stories, podcasts, and your work on our student led radio. Visit our channel frequently for announcements regarding school activities like fests and competitions, initiatives which our friends are taking, and various other events. We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and teachers for believing in our vision and us and allowing us to reinstate our very own school radio. We promise not to allow our predicament during this pandemic to break this wonderful circle of trust and affection that we proudly call our MBWA family. We hope that we can spread joy and love as we embark upon this exciting journey with your support. Keep listening and have a great day ahead.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Hey, how was your weekend?
Not that great, but I don't want to talk about it. How about yours?
It was more or less alright. I read a very interesting article.
What was it about?
About Guru Purnima.
Oh yes, I heard it just passed a few days ago. I guess it was on the 24th of July. My mother is a teacher and she's looking forward to what her students will do this year.
That's right. It was on the 24th of July, this year.
Do you think we should plan something too?
We could, but
But what?
I don't think I know anything about it, and it has already passed. So do you think it makes any sense to do something now?
I still think we should do it. It will be a nice token of appreciation for our teachers.
Is it all that important?
I think it is.
I mean, it is good to sometimes appreciate someone's effort.
No, I did not mean it like that. Just like Yashvi, I do not know anything about it, so I cannot understand the significance of this.
Well, the article I read was interesting.
Tell them about it. It is a very captivating tale.
Guru Purnima is the day the first Guru was born. In the yogic culture, Shiva is not seen as a god. He is seen as the Adi Yogi or the first yogi. Guru Purnima is that full moon day when the first yogi transformed himself into the Adi Guru, the first Guru. This is the time of the year when over 15,000 years ago, his attention fell upon the now celebrated Saptarishis, his first 7 disciples. They had done some simple preparation for 84 years.
I want to say the rest.
Alright,
So, then, when the solstice had shifted from the summer solstice to the winter, that is, when the sun's position with relation to this planet shifted from the north to the south, which, in this tradition, is known as Uttarayana and Dakshinayana. On that day, Adi Yogi looked at the Saptarishis and saw that they had become shining receptacles of knowing. He could not ignore them anymore. He observed them closely, and when the next full moon rose, he decided to become a guru. That full moon day is known as Guru Purnima. He turned south, and the transmission of yogic science to the 7 disciples began.
That is a good story.
And it sounds significant too.
It is.
I can tell you more if you want to listen.
Yes, please.
Guru Purnima is celebrated by Buddhists, Hindus and Jains every year. It falls on the full moon day of the Shakha Samavat in the Hindu calendar. This festival commemorates the goodness of spiritual gurus and teachers as thousands of devotees worship and thank their gurus for enlightenment.
I think we should plan something.
But is there anything else you can tell us which is as interesting?
Definitely. I remember well that it is believed that Lord Buddha gave his first sermon on this day. After 5 weeks of achieving enlightenment under the Bodhi tree, Buddha went from Bodh Gaya to Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh, where he gave the sermon on the full moon day. The followers of Buddha thus celebrate this day to worship him. The festival is celebrated in countries like India, Nepal, and other countries of Buddhist and Jain influence. People worship their spiritual preceptors and give them gifts. They visit their temples and offer them respect and seek their blessings.
Let's present an assembly on this event to express how grateful we are for our gurus.
Absolutely. It will be exciting too.
Remind me if you all want. I can send the study guide about this later.
Yes, I would love that.
Don't we have class right now?
Oh yes, I totally forgot about it. Let's just end the call and attend our classes, or else we'll all be marked absent.
That's right. We can talk about this later sometime. Anyways, bye.
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 अंशुमन दुबे द्वारा गुरु पर कविता। गुरु बिना ज्ञान कहाँ, उसके ज्ञान का आदि न अंत यहाँ। गुरु ने दी शिक्षा जहाँ, उठी शिष्टाचार की मूरत वहाँ।
अपने संसार से तुम्हारा परिचय कराया, उसने तुम्हें भले बुरे का आभास कराया। अतः संसार में तुम्हें अस्तित्व दिलाया, दोष निकालकर सुदृढ़ व्यक्तित्व बनाया।
अपनी शिक्षा के तेज से तुम्हें आभामंडित कर दिया, अपने ज्ञान के वेग से तुम्हारे उपवन को पुष्पित कर दिया।
जिसने बनाया तुम्हें ईश्वर, गुरु का करो सदा आदर। जिसमें स्वयं है परमेश्वर, उस गुरु को मेरा प्रणाम सादर। धन्यवाद।
मोहे लागी लगन गुरु चरणन की, मोहे लागी लगन गुरु चरणन की। चरण बिना मुझे कुछ नहीं भाई, चरण बिना मुझे कुछ नहीं भाई। जग माया सब सपनन की, मोहे लागी लगन गुरु चरणन की। भव सागर सब सुख गया है, भव सागर सब सुख गया है। फिक्र कुछ नहीं भाई चरण मिला मुझे, कुछ नहीं भाई जग माया सब सपन की, मोहे लागी लगन गुरु चरणन की, मोहे लागी लगन गुरु चरणन की, मोहे लागी लगन गुरु चरणन की।
शिव शंभु त्रिपुरारी तारकेश्वर जटाधारी जय हरे। शिव शंभु त्रिपुरारी तारकेश्वर जटाधारी जय हरे। शिव शंभु त्रिपुरारी। मूर्ति मनोहर तू मम परमरत।
मूर्ति मनोहर तू मम परमरत। बंसी पंचम रागे तब गुण करत
अपरूप मूर्ति ऐछन तोहरी, अपरूप मूर्ति ऐछन तोहरी, सुरगुनि मनस बिहारी। सुनते तुझी दय दर्श परश तनु मन
विलंबितांबुजंग तुंग मालिकां मट्ट 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 मन्निनाद वड्डमर्वयं चकार चंड तांडवं तनोतु नः शिव।
हर हर शिव शंकर नीलकंठ गंगाधर आए चरणम तिहारे। ज्ञान ऐसा विशाल बैठे हो मृगना छाए माथे चंद्र विराजे। तन ना 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 तन ना 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 तन ना 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 तन ना 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 तन ना 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 तन ना 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 ना।
Hello, this is Adrija Jana, and on that note, here is a small anecdote for you. Teach for India is a non-profit that has taken up the responsibility of educating underprivileged children across India. Some of us from class 12 wanted to extend a helping hand and support this initiative, so we decided to volunteer for Teach for India. We believe that since we are privileged enough to have a good education, we should be conscious enough to share the knowledge with those who are not as fortunate. Till now, it has been a very enriching and fulfilling experience for all of us.
Hi, I am Mehak Gupta from class 12 and I'm working with Teach for India initiative as a volunteer. Being a part of this program has taught me how to connect with many other people who belong to the same cause, which is to make education available for all. The TFI community is working towards making us privileged students understand the importance of education, as well as helping us reach out to the underprivileged students and build a bridge where we can teach them subjects like mathematics and English. We are provided with resource packets and are taught how to interact with students. Along with that, we are also learning about policies and laws when it comes to teaching, and are being provided with many class programs that will help us not only with our work in TFI but also in the future.
Hello everyone, this is Uditi. My friends have already told you what TFI is all about. Let me tell you more about why we are sharing this with you today. You see, Guru Purnima, as you heard earlier, is precisely about the celebration of gurus, mentors. On this auspicious occasion, we felt that we must share with you our feelings about volunteering with TFI, such a prestigious organization. Teachers have the power to shape minds and lives, and as teenagers, it's so exciting that we have been blessed with the opportunity to help young kids with quality education. It's a special feeling, and we've understood from our own experience that teachers really are superhumans. I say this from the bottom of my heart that this is not just another volunteering stamp that we are going after, that we're running after. This is more than that. This is about giving back to the community. It's about doing something worthwhile with our time, with the kind of resources and privileges that we have, so that we can have a good impact on the lives of those who aren't as privileged as we are. People who can't even afford education because it's become so expensive, especially during the pandemic when we directly relate school with gadgets. And we aren't endorsing DFI. You could go ahead and partner with any other organization that you would like to, but just do something. Do something so that you can bring about a change for the better. Do all the good that you can, and being someone whose credo has always been this, doing all the good you can, all I can say is, and all I can request you to do is, try giving back. It gives you immense joy, and you'll become more confident with all the experiences that you gather here. You'll understand the kind of effort that our teachers put into every class of ours. Whatever we are taught, there's a lengthy process that goes behind the scene. So that's it from our side. We would definitely encourage you to sign up for such volunteering programs. You could reach out to any of us. We'll help you out. We'll be able to guide you about the enrollment procedure. So all the very best, and hope we were able to convince you to do something worthwhile with your time and add to all the good that you've already been doing. Thank you so much.